What's up, you guys? It's back. What? Who? Girl. What's up, you guys? It's Nava and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to be back. I feel like I haven't posted an actual real video in forever. I think it's been like 1 or 2 months. It's just been a long time. Okay, so today's video is like terrible timing because Halloween is literally like tomorrow. I'm so sorry that this video is barely coming out the day before Halloween, but hopefully some of you guys procrastinated on your Halloween costumes just like I procrastinated on this video. But I'm back. I'm trying to catch up on social media, on my videos, and just on life. So because Halloween is literally tomorrow, I'm pretty sure 99.9% of you guys have already have your costumes done. But if you guys don't, then I got a video for you. So today's video is going to be like a girl squad type of Halloween costume video. I don't know if there are any girls, like a group of 3 or 4 that don't have Halloween costumes. Send this to them. Maybe this will help you guys get some ideas. And specifically in this video, I want to show you guys how you could use your own clothes from your own closet. And speaking of girl squad, I'm using Adeline's Girls Sporting Girls hoodie. Also, if you guys are watching this and already have your Halloween costume, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. You absolutely do not even need to watch this video because you already obviously have your costume done, but I don't deserve you. You guys are so sweet. Anyways, yeah, enjoy this video. Oh my god, okay, before I forget, I just wanted to put it out there that I am titling this and targeting like college students and more, you know, mature audiences. It's more for like if you're in college or if you're like over 20. Okay, just a lot older, okay? There's just like lots of skin showing in these outfit ideas, so I just want to put that out there before anyone like attacks me in the comments, okay? Love you guys. So first up we have the Powerpuff Girls, but in this video I'm gonna call them the Powerpuff Thoughts because we are dressed more as like Instagram baddies versus really cute, innocent little superheroes. But yeah, so this one has been extremely popular this year, especially for Halloween, and I'm guessing it's because it is really easy for a girl group. And I want to show you guys how you can play around with the styling, make it more current versus making it look like a Halloween costume, if you know what I mean. And I want to show you guys how easy it is to put these outfits together using clothes that you already have in your closet. So my friend Skylar is the sweetest person you'll ever meet, so I dressed her up as Bubbles, plus she already had blonde hair, and I really wanted her look to be cute, so I styled her in a white puff sleeve crop top, a baby blue mini skirt, and some white lace-up boots. I also gave her these blue sunnies, some blue fur hair ties that I DIY'd, and a black belt as an accent. Bubbles is the sweet one, so I wanted to give her majority of the girly pieces, and I feel like it was portrayed pretty well. For my character, I dressed up as Blossom, and Blossom wears pink, so it was really easy for me to style myself because basically my whole wardrobe is pink. I went with that girly Instagram baddie look because I feel if Blossom was older, she would probably go for that look anyways. So what I wore was a black bralette, a white super crop tee, a pink mini skirt, and a pink faux fur coat. I also wore these knee-high socks and strap shoes to copy the actual Powerpuff Girls look, but you know, I just had to add my own baddie touch to it. Now I wanted to dress up our friend Momo as the ultimate baddie because Buttercup is that bitch, you know what I mean? So I styled her in a black bralette with a green mesh crop top that I DIY'd, some cargo pants, and black booties. I accessorized her with some black sunnies, hair clips, and a lime green buckle belt that I also DIY'd, and of course you guys can't forget the chains because that is totally her whole aesthetic. To be honest, the way that I see it is no matter how innocent or thoughty you guys dress for this costume, as long as you guys stick to the main colors, everyone will know that you guys are the Powerpuff Girls. So next up we have the baddies of the K-pop industry, and that is my favorite K-pop group, Blackpink in your area. I was literally so excited to film this because I just love them so much, as you guys can tell by my talking right now. This was by far the easiest one to style because I wear literally all these things on a daily. We went for the Kill This Love look because I felt like it was such an iconic look for them. So my friend Kaylin is dressed up as Jisoo, and I styled her in a mesh long sleeve top, a chain mini skirt with an attached leg harness, buckle booties, a crossbody harness, and a cross earring. And I'm pretty sure you guys know Adeline, but if you guys don't know, then you guys definitely need to know this little bundle of joy. Adeline is dressed up as Jennie with a long French braid, black crop top with a buckle harness bag, white jeans with a leg harness, and her black booties. Tiff actually styled herself because she already had clothes that look like Rosé's Kill This outfit. Whoa. Kill This Love outfit. So I actually didn't have to style her at all. She's wearing a white crop bomber, a cutout mini skirt, a buckle crop top, and she actually wrapped her belt around her waist and her chest to create that cross harness look. And lastly, I'm dressed as Lisa because, you know, she's my bias, but also because I just happen to have my hair freshly done and I have bangs now, so it was kind of perfect. I'm wearing a cropped leather blazer, some average high-waisted shorts, this gun leg harness, which I actually got at the Halloween store, believe it or not, and my knee-high lace-up boots. Oh, and I also stole this chest bag from my boyfriend, so thank you, Connor. And really, guys, you don't have to be Korean to dress up as Blackpink for Halloween, or even Asian for that matter. If you guys love them and you guys have the outfits, then I say just totally go for it. And lastly, we have the cast from the movie Hustlers. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, it's the new movie with J-Lo, Constance Wu, Cardi B, Lily from Riverdale, and other big name stars, and it's about these women who devised the scheme to make some huge amounts of money during the economic crash in 2008. I really enjoyed the movie, so if you guys have a chance, I definitely suggest watching it. And you know, we got the whole crew here. I'm dressed up as Ramona, who is J-Lo in the movie, and I'm in her iconic fur coat and shiny bodysuit. We got my girl Momo here, who is playing Destiny. Heaven is playing Lizzo. Annabelle, who is portrayed by Tony. Heidi is here as Dawn. Melody is playing Mercedes. And of course, it wouldn't be the Hustlers cast without Cordy, who is played by my cousin Gabby. In the movie, there's also the reporter, aka Julia Stiles, but plot twist, the reporter for our squad is actually a better dancer than all the strippers. This is my girl Heather, who actually pole dances and is so amazing. So for styling, honestly, I think majority of us were just wearing bathing suits, to be honest, and we just threw on some fishnet tights and some heels. You could also throw on a fur coat, have a money gun, and really it's just as simple as that. And I know some people are gonna say in the comments, aren't you guys just dressed as strippers? Yes, we are, but we are based off of a movie, so it's like an actual squad, you know? Oh, and Princess and Adrian were also here at the shoot, hyping us up. Alright, you guys, so that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, if you guys made it all the way to the end, I love you guys so very much. You guys are so sweet for supporting me. Girls supporting girls. Oh, I will also link Adeline's merch down at the bottom. Go support your girl. These hoodies are so cute. Hope you guys have a very safe Halloween. And yeah, don't eat too much candy because calories, you know. And the next video will definitely not be a Halloween one. It'll be normal. What do you guys want to see? BTS home decor or glitter rhinestone DIY hair clips? I don't know. You guys can vote down at the bottom in the comments. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring.